Subaru Error 55, also known as Error SS, is a communication fault code that indicates a breakdown in data transmission between your vehicle's electronic control unit and various subsystems. This error is increasingly relevant in Subaru vehicles manufactured from 2015 onwards, especially those equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. Error 55 affects critical vehicle systems including eyesight driver assistance, engine management, transmission control, anti-lock braking system, and vehicle dynamics control. Error 55 is classified as a network communication error with a medium to high severity level, depending on which systems are affected. It can be detected through onboard diagnostics using an OBD2 scanner. The most common triggers for Error 55 include CAN bus communication failures, wiring harness issues such as damaged or corroded connections, and ECU malfunctions including control module failures or software corruption. Understanding Error 55 is crucial for maintaining your Subaru's advanced electronic systems and ensuring optimal vehicle performance and safety. Diagnosing Error 55 begins with proper scanning equipment. The Subaru Select Monitor, or SSM, is the preferred diagnostic tool for comprehensive system analysis. Physical inspection focuses on the CAN bus wiring harness. Look for visible damage, corrosion at connectors, and loose connections. Ground connections and power supply to modules must also be verified. Advanced testing involves CAN bus voltage measurements and termination resistor verification. Proper CAN bus voltage should read 2.5 volts at rest, oscillating between 1.5 and 3.5 volts during communication. Termination resistor testing is critical. The total resistance across CAN high and CAN low should measure exactly 60 ohms when both 120 ohm termination resistors are properly connected in parallel. Error 55 has three primary causes based on service data. Wiring harness issues account for 45% of cases. ECU failures represent 30%, and environmental factors like water intrusion cause 25% of occurrences. Repair solutions vary by complexity and success rate. Immediate fixes include connector cleaning with 65% success rate and wiring harness repair with 85% success rate for visible damage. Prevention is key to avoiding Error 55 recurrence. Regular wiring harness inspections, especially in harsh climates, combined with annual ECU firmware updates and comprehensive system scans, significantly reduce the likelihood of communication errors.